So this is ChatGPT. However, we're not going to look at ChatGPT right now. Instead, I'm going to go over here to Decktopus AI. Decktopus is an automatic AI-generated presentation maker, and it's incredible what this does. All you got to do is click login right here, and I'm already logged into it, so it's gonna log me in, but you can sign up for a free account through your Google or whatever kind of account you want to use. What we're gonna do here, I'm gonna just create with AI, and what we're gonna do is tell the person what this presentation is about. So let's make this presentation about the importance of city manager contract negotiations. Let's say here, the importance of contract negotiations for city managers. Kind of a niche and specific topic. Let's see what Decktopus does with this. The folks who make this are incredible. They've done some phenomenal work with this here. So yep, city managers is the audience. And let's do this. Provide, yep, I think like the first one. Let's do some practical tips and strategies for effective contract negotiations in the context of city management. Let's do that one instead. And let's do a 25-minute presentation. Let's do a formal theme here for this presentation and see what happens. So it's going to automatically create this presentation for us. Now, while we're doing that, let's go over here. I'm going to show another one as well, another one called Tome.app. And we can look at here, it's another automatic presentation maker that you can do here. So I'm going to sign in here as well. Sign in with my Google account real quick here as we get started here. These are just phenomenal ways to generate presentations. You can do this themselves with ChatGPT. The ability to do this presentation this way is simply amazing. So we're going to do the same thing here for Tome. We're going to have it create a presentation on economic vitality for high growth cities. The importance of economic vitality for high growth cities. I'm just going to create this thing here. Let's go back to our Decktopus thing here and see how we're doing and look at this. Let's rate the slide real quick here. And let's look at this slide. It has 2 slides right here. Pretty amazing what we can do here. Just really fast how we can generate these slides and what we can do with here. Our negotiation, introduction, importance of contract negotiation for city managers, tips and strategies, understand the importance of contracts, establishing clear goals and objectives, research and gather information, build strong relationships, effective communication and negotiation skills, utilize professional support and resources, closing, conclusion, and there is a quick slide deck on the importance of contract negotiation for city managers. So let's go back over here to Tome, and let's look at this one. Let's play this one out real quick here too. So economic development strategies for high growth cities. Austin, Texas, Seattle, Washington, and Denver, Colorado. Let's see here. That's just one page. Let's see if we can go back here. Let's give me 1 second here. I want to see if I can get back here. Let's try this one more time here. I'm going to try Tome one more time. I wonder if I didn't click the right button in terms of creating a presentation. So let's create this again. And let's go back here to create and create a presentation about the importance of economic vitality to a city. Let's do 6 pages. Let's do 12 pages as well. Enter, have it create it. It's going to generate an outline, get this step by step done, and you're going to be, again, simply amazed about what Tome can do, what Decktopus can do, or Decktopus can do. So here we go. Continue. Let's create this presentation. So in a matter of seconds, in a matter of just a few moments, it's going to have a slide deck on this important topic. This is a phenomenal tool. If you ever give a presentation on something or want some creative ideas of what on how to present a topic or something like that, you use these different tools. You can download them, customize them and make it your own as well too. So let's go here from the beginning, and let's go back here to the very, very beginning here, and fueling the future, the power of economic vitality in cities. Introduction. Here's an introduction slide. What is economic vitality? Refers to the ability of a city or region to sustain a strong, growing economy over time. Benefits of economic vitality, challenges, strategies for promoting, a case study in Austin, Texas, the role of government in economic vitality, the role of the private sector in economic vitality, and the role of individuals as well, and the conclusion slide, as well as a quick Q&A in case you're presenting this somewhere. So pretty powerful what you can do with not ChatGPT, no, with Decktopus and with Tome in terms of the abilities to create presentations in just a split second. So have fun playing around with that. As always, if you have questions on how to get started or ideas or anything like that, please feel free to reach out to me on LinkedIn or YouTube at God@GPT, my handle on both accounts. Love to get a conversation started with you and help you make AI a possibility in your city. Until then, be well.